Hello and welcome on Lunettes Originales, the leading website of design eyewear. Each year, 600,000 people visit our webzine. So how can you be on Lunettes Originales? It is thanks to the product placement. We will go right here in the Universe page. We choose to gather the slides according to the traffic of our pages and the strength of your visuals, and your brain gets 10 product placements to be displayed following your specialties and wishes in some of our 17 universes. Design, children, wood, and custom made, for example. We have a lot on Lunettes Originales. We will choose this one. The product placement is a visual of your frames as packshots or one models, in a slideshow or a fixed visual. It's a great tool to enhance your visibility. Here is the slideshow. So how are you going to follow your visibility? Whatever the importance of your contents on Lunettes Originales, Google Data Studio allows you to analyze in real time your visibility anytime you want. Right here. So how does it work? First, you choose your period of observation, right here. And then the number of views your visuals get with the detail per page are here. Thank you and see you on Lunettes Originales.